everybody, this is Fred from GSSM Gaming. Today I'm gonna show you the hammer build. No bleeding edge. I hate bleeding edge. So let's go over the notes for anvils. Critical hit chance score 40%, yes. Reduce rage cost, yes. Weapon damage, of course. Lightning damage, yes. Critical hit damage, of course. Increased damage 50%, yes. This one, it's, yeah, you can take whatever you want. And Flight of Governor. Generous rage for enemy hit along the hammer's recoil trajectory, yes. Increased damage, yes, of course. Launch 2 hammers instead of 1, yep. When recoil, the hammer creates a damaging area effect at the point where it's recoiled. It's very, very good against bosses. Take whatever you want. Increased critical damage, yes. And then this is the very important one. Increased critical chance based on block chance. You see, I have 100% now. Take it away, 63, 100. Of course. Warpath, it's just for movement speed, nothing else. Sovereign Shout, hold the line, 15% to all resistance score, yes. 6% health globe generation, it's always good. Increase the duration of the buffs granted by the skill, yes. Grants a temporary critical chance buff, yep. Increase the effectiveness of all buffs granted by this skill and other skills, yes. Shout generates threat, meh. Doesn't matter. Grants a temporary life leech buff, yes. And 25 rage generation hit, that's nice. And the Wings of Ashmir. The most important one is rage generation. Increased damage dealt by yourself and allies in the area of effect of landing, yes. And grants a buff for each enemy hit on landing. That's the best ones. Let's go over the Gates of Faith. Attack speed. Yeah. Critical hits, yes. Increased critical damage, of course. Very important. Sparkling Dart. It is broken. It doesn't work as it should. So just take it or not. It doesn't matter. But take the lightning damage notes. Critical hit damage, yep. Some health. Ferocity, yes. And Furious Appetite, very important. And the node, extra node, very important too. I'm gonna show you why. And Beastly Frenzy, yeah, more damage. Life Leech, yes. And Ferocity and damage nodes. The more rage you have, the more damage you deal, of course. And 35 rage generation to kill. And I actually took Virtuous Stance. It's quite good. You can do some serious crits when you have the probing weakness. And the extra node. So yeah, and always keep your rage over 750 for the double damage. Now we have probing weakness stance, nice. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of gameplay. See? Around 150, 250 crits. The hammers, it's insane. The Flight of Governor is almost too insane. You can one-shot bosses instantly. See, here's a little strong mob. Let's see. Whoops. Stupid mistake. What the hell? See. They die instantly. Your life is kind of good because you do so much damage. Like I said, keep your rage over 750. I need to listen to my own advice. As you can see, a one shot, 2 shot, everything. It's a fun build. Not super fast, like Bleeding Edge. But then 400k crit. So yeah, that's pretty much my first guide ever on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe, leave a comment, like the video, do what you like, and enjoy the build, guys. See ya. Thank you for watching.